If you live in a small space, need some space, or is out of space because everything feels so cluttered. Hi, my name is Angel. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you some space-saving ideas and organizers that you can use to maximize your space. Let's jump right in. One thing you can do is if you have open cabinets, because my home, for instance, in my kitchen and my bathroom, not all of them have drawers or pullouts. One thing you can do is incorporate some drawers in your cabinets. Your drawers help you to use your vertical space and also helps you to organize better than just open storage. I have loved using drawers in my cabinets. It's so great because again, you can easily grab and go, and even if your home wasn't built with built-ins or drawers, you can use stackable drawers to help you maximize your vertical space and easily find what you're looking for. So if your bathroom needs more counter space, one easy thing you can do is grab a 2-level tower for your countertop that you can use for easy grab and go for things that you need in your bathroom. I love this because again, it's using vertical space. So when you get a 2-tiered countertop rack, this again helps you to double your space, double your storage, and this one you can stick in a corner of your bathroom and use your vertical space. Here's another awesome idea for maximizing your space. In your cabinets, grab you a wooden shelf to double your vertical space. This again helps you to use your whole cabinet. I did this with my spice drawers. I found some wooden shelves so that I could double my space in here and use all of my space, plus make it easy to grab and go and find what I'm looking for. These came 2 in a pack from Amazon, which I can link below in the description box, but such an easy way to again maximize and use all of your vertical space. Another awesome idea that you can do is incorporate these thin hangers. These are amazing because they double, if not triple, your space in your closet. I love these hangers that I'm showing you because they are multi-function. You can put ties on them, you can put pants on them, shirts on them. They have spaces for your tank tops. They are so multi-function, plus they have rubber grips on them to keep your clothes from slipping off of them, which is awesome. They come in huge packs that you can grab on Amazon, but this is such a great way to put one outfit on a hanger. Let's say if you want to put your suit on a hanger or whatever you're wearing for the day. This is a hanger that is multi-function and flexible, and you can put all of that on it. Plus it again doubles, if not triples, your closet space because they are so thin. An amazing product to incorporate in your home are 2-tiered turntables. I love these. I have this under my kitchen sink and under my bathroom sink. This is again great for using all of your vertical space in your cabinet. And because it's a turntable, you can turn it and easily find and grab what you're looking for. Again, they also have turntables where you can remove your top bins off of the rack, which is awesome. I like to do this in my bathroom so that anything I need to use for my face, let's say I'm doing a facial or mask night, I put all my masks in one, take it out, and when I'm done, I can put it back under my countertop right there back on the turntable. These are so versatile and they're so amazing to have, and they're so great for adding space and doubling your space under your cabinets. Another awesome idea are these 3-tier shelves. These are great to keep your foil on or your Ziploc bags or any type of box containers. It triples your space, whether it's in a cabinet or a pantry, wherever you keep your foils or your Ziploc bags or whatever you would like to keep on here. You can incorporate this to use all of your vertical space, again tripling your space and being able to easily reach in and grab what you want, what you're looking for, and put it back. There's a place for it. This came from Amazon as well. And something similar in that family is a shelf with a turntable. It's literally combining like the best of both worlds. You get the extra shelf because it's doubling your cabinet space and helping you to use all of your vertical space in your cabinets. Plus the top is a turntable, so you can easily turn it to find what you're looking for. You can use this for so many different things, whether it's in your kitchen and you want to put some oils on top of it and something under it, or plates and cups and bowls. You can use this for a number of different things things around your home, but it's so great again for being able to use your space and make your space more functional. One of my favorite products in my home is my collapsible dish rack. This is amazing because it literally saves space when not in use. When you're ready to use it, you just roll it out over your sink. You can dry your dishes on it. You can dry your pans on it, your plates, whatever you need to dry. The water drains in your sink, and when you're done, you can roll this up and tuck it away under a cabinet. Again, saving you space. You don't have to worry about dish racks on your counters if you don't want, and everything can dry right there over your sink. I love these. They're easy to clean. They come in a lot of colors. You can get small or large sizes. I tend to get the large one for my sink, but they are so multifunctional, and I really love these, and I've used these for a long time. Really recommend these for saving space. And the last thing I am going to recommend for space saving is a collapsible popcorn maker. Now, if you like us, or if anybody in your household loves popcorn, that's my husband because he does, this collapsible popcorn maker is a must. Instead of having multiple big old bulky machines for popcorn makers here and popcorn makers there, grab you one of these collapsible ones that easily collapses down when not in use, and then when you're ready to use it, you can open it up and pop your popcorn right in this in the microwave. And the amazing thing is you can put some butter on top of it and it'll melt over the popcorn while it's popping. So it's an awesome popper, it's very functional, and it's also space saving most of all, so you don't have to worry about your big bulky appliances. Awesome gadget. Now that I've given you some ways to maximize your space, let's tackle some spaces you can declutter in all of 15 minutes. Make sure to check out this video you see on screen where I share with you quick 15-minute organization ideas.